Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials and filling the photocopy application now. Hand over the original second PUC mark sheet for verification. Keep one clean photocopy ready. Complete the official application form with accurate name, roll number, and year. Don't skip signatures. Attach ID proof and 2 recent passport photos, then choose payment mode. Demand draft or online, keep the receipt. Once done, confirm the processing fee and expected turnaround time before moving to submission to avoid delays. Next, submit the filled form, originals for verification, and the payment receipt to the designated counter. An officer will cross-check roll number, subjects, and marks against records. Cooperate and answer questions clearly. If a mismatch arises, provide supporting documents immediately to prevent rejection. Make sure you collect a submission receipt with a reference number and estimated ready date. This is your tracking proof. Once you have that, track progress online or via helpline if available. Finally, return on the given date with your ID and submission receipt to collect the photocopy of your second PUC. Inspect it immediately. Verify spelling, marks, signatures, and the official seal. Mistakes are easier to fix on the spot. If you find an error, request a reissue or correction form right away and retain all receipts. If processing delays occur beyond the promised time, call the helpline and file an official complaint using your reference number to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.